Now we are here in Mandaue Foam Decor naman. Ito yung mga decorations nila. Ito yung mga wall clocks nila na available. That one is very cool. Alias blue-green plastic clock. Ito yung mga clocks nila. These are the prices. Hopefully, focus siya. So ito is 565. This one is 570. Tapos may 30% off for 105.
Please proceed to customer service.
This one is 685.
Customer service, please. Thank you.
This one is 745. 475. 475 as well. Tapos, ito 50% off. 150 niya lang. Ayan. Tapos ito, 380. This one is 350 pesos. 290. 510 pesos. 370 pesos. 370. 370. Take note na meron pa yung additional discount. 30% off promo item. So, meron pa siyang nagiging 259, 266. Yan. Ito yung price. Ito yung look. That one is 770. 2,195. 570. 875. 555. 605. 920 na napakaganda. For me, This one is 1,200. Same as this one, 1,200. This one is beautiful. It's 2,700. So this one, 2,500. Beautiful. This one is 1,700 pero nakasale siya. So 850 na lang siya. This one is 1,300. Tas may 30% off pa yan. Pag may 15% off pag may home card ka. And this one is 1,600 and may 15% off pa. Majority sa kanila may 15% off naman. So check Mandaue Foam. Now we do have designs or yung mga mirror, wall mirror natin. This one is 2,000 pesos. Pero naka 50% off siya, so 1,000 na lang. Same as this one, naka 50% off, it's 525. This one is 375. This one is 62 pesos. 62. Ooh, this one is nice. Yeah. Yeah, 62 pesos. Maganda na rin yung quality ng mismo glass niya. Hindi siya nag-bend yung image. So it's nice. This one is cute. And its price is 115 pesos. And this one is 950 pesos. Kasi dami nakasale. Yan. But this one is my favorite. They do have a lot of variety na paintings or arts here. And for this one is 1,180. This one is 645. What I'm saying is the regular price. So may additional discount pa yan pag may home card ka. This one is 540. This one is 540 din. Isa 2,400. Yang malaki na yan. This one is 860 pesos. Well, it's 3,315. Ito, yung same na yung kanina. This one is 280 pesos. Ito is 374. And nasa likod niya is 460 pesos. This one is same nandun. Ay, hindi pala siya same. So, ano siya? 846 pesos. Yan. Kasi nasa kanina. This one is 1,045 pesos. Yeah, marami pa silang paintings or I mean for decorations here in Mandaue Phone. Here. So, ito mga wall art nila, roughly around 4,000 pataas, 4,000 pesos. Pataas to mga to. And this one is almost less than 500, mga 480 plus, ganun. Same as ito na sa taas. Ito naman, it's 700 pesos. This one is 900 pesos. Ito, naka 50% off. 325 na lang siya. Same as this one, 325. And this one naman is walang price na nakalagay. No, I think it's roughly around 3,000 to 4,000 pesos. This one is 860 pesos. Yan. So, may mga art din sila dito. Yan, mga yan. 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 Ito yung gusto ko, but I don't know the price. Ito. Price is 3,430. Pero may additional discount siya na 30%? 15% off pag home card. And then this one, yung price, I'm so sorry. This one is 1,045 pesos. Ito, wala rin siyang price. This one is 3,880. Ito naman is 2,815. Take note na may additional 15% pa yun na home card pag member. Yeah, 15% off. So, ito naman is 1,814 pag may home card. 2,135 na pag wala. This one is 1,480. Sa likod niya, maganda. So, it's 2,520 pesos a year. This one, it's 1,985. This one is, I can see it. I think, yan. 1,985 pero 992 na lang siya. This one is 1,235. Oh, this one is so glittery. This one is 5,790 pesos, but it's 4,921.50 kapag may home card ka. Yan. Yeah, this one is 1,250. Yan. This one naman, it's 2,000 pesos. 162 pesos to mga to. Yan. Yan. Sa taas, it's 810 pesos to. Yan. This one is 1,250, I think. And this, the bigger one here, it's 2,000 as well. This one is the price is 4,455 pesos. This is the glittery one, I think. Yeah. So, yeah. Itong dark naman na to is actually beautiful. 720 pesos. Yan. Itong pink naman, it's 700 pesos. Pero naka 50% off siya kapag meron kang card. 350 or naka-off talaga siya. This one is walang presyo. This one is 870 pesos. Ayan. Ito yung other designs. I think this is less than 200 pesos. Ito nga, 60 pesos lang. Ito, 130. So, mga less than 200 pesos yan. Yan. These are the designs. Ito, 190 lang. 161 pag may card ka. Yan. Nasa baba. Ito, less. I mean, Yan. Ito yung mga 325 to mga nasa baba. Pero meron pa yata silang off. So, check nyo na lang. Pa. Yan. Less than 200 or 215 pesos. Yan. Or ito yung mga less than 300 pesos. 190. Ito naman, 540. 540. Yan, yung mga prices. 600 plus nga ito isa. Pero, may discount din siya. Yan. 190. 190. 455. 285. 455. 455. 285. Now, they do have a variety of mirror or types na mirrors. So, ito yung mga this one is NJ black frame mirror, 40 by 1,500, 2,680 lang siya. 2,305 na lang kapag meron kang card. This one is the NJ na white frame naman, 40 by 150 pala. Or 1,500, not sure. Yan. So, 2,680 tapos 2,305 lang kapag may card ka. This one, maganda yung ano niya, border niya. The Kate is white silver frame mirror. So, naka 50% off na to. So, 1,395 na lang siya. So, ito pa. Ito yung mga types ng mirrors nila. So, ito, naka-display na lang. Pakita natin. It's 1,930 pesos. So, yan. Parang marble yung ano niya, finish niya. Although, I feel like plastic lang tong ano. Yan. Then, this one is the most beautiful one for me. And ito rin, maganda rin to. This one, itong gold na frame, the Ina gold frame mirror, 90 by 120. It's 4,825. Pero pag may home card ka, it's 4,150. This one, Colette wooden frame mirror, 60 by 1, I'm not sure kung ano yan. 2,575 tas 2,188.75 naman siya kapag may home card ka. Maganda siya kasi may texture siya. Yan. Tapos meron pa dito mga type ng mirrors. Other types of mirrors. Yan. So, I think this one is for the bathrooms or depende siguro kung gaano kayo ka-stylish as a person. If you want sa sala, ganito. Yan. This one is the Harmony wall mirror. 50% off na siya. So, 1,100 na lang siya. 2,200 siya before. Ito is rectangle, 740. Ito, 700 na lang. Ito, mga nakalikod yung presyo, pero 365, di ko na siya abot. But I think this one is 400. 400, yan. 435. This was 435 as well. Ito, 400 pesos. 400. This one is good. With hooks na kasi siya. So, not sure, parang maganda rin siya pag sa labas ng, or pagpasok mo ng pintuan. Para, may mga hooks. It's either you put your keys, your jackets, your umbrellas, whatsoever. Your caps. Here. So, ano na siya? 600 pesos. Ooh, 600. This one is nice. I want to buy it. So, ito pa yung other mirrors nila. Yan. Yan. This one is 1,450 pero may discount pa yan. So that's this one, 2,145. Okay. Oh, this is the OOTD mirrors. Yeah, okay, OOTD. OOTD. Yan. For this art mirror, I seen black art full body mirror. It's 3,590 pero may 15% discount siya pag may home card, which is 3,051 pesos point 50, same as this one. Naka-white lang yung finish nung edges niya. This one, ito naman is yung BD standing mirror. Ayan. Yung regular price is 2,000, as pag may card ka is 1,700 here. This is the white version. This is the brown, which is same price lang din siya, 2,000 per regular price, 1,700 pag meron kang home card. Yan. Okay. At ito naman, tingin tayo ng mga TV rack. Ito, as in TV rack is 4,750 pero 30% off siya, so 3,339 na lang siya. Ito, ayan. Marami pa rin sila dito. TV racks. This one is Georgine 120cm TV rack, Maple, 5,800. Tapos 4,930 na lang siya kapag may card ka. Ayan. Yan, 4,900. Pero 50% off na siya, 2,050 na lang. TV rack, 90 centimeters yun. Same as nasa taas din na to. This one is good. It's Roscoe Metal. This is Roscoe Metal TV rack. 6,990 pero 5,941 na lang kapag may card ka. So, yan. Ano siya yung TV rack? Ito rin. So, ano lang siya, whiter version lang siya. Same price. So, ito yung other TV racks. The Butler TV rack. Naka 25% off na siya. So, 3,616 na lang siya. Yan. So, meron pa namang stocks. So, itong medyo malaki. This one. It's 9,800. Tapos, 8,330 na lang kapag meron kang card. Ito rin sa kabila. Same lang yung price. I think it's same lang din kasi yung item. Meron dito. Yun, same na yung kanina, which is yung Georgian na rack, 5,800, tapos 4,930. May Harley hanging cabinet, 5,220, 3,654 kapag may card ka. This one is the Payson TV rack, 6,500 siya, tapos 5,200 pag may card ka. This one is the Grayson TV rack linen, 6,500. Tapos 5,525 kapag may home card ka. So let's go to the other ones. This one is the bigger one, the Georgine 180 TV rack Maple, 7,300 siya. 6,205 na lang kapag may card ka. So ito naman, meron tayong yung mga yeah, ito. This one is the Opal TV rack, walnut fee veneer. It's 20,300 pesos. Tapos 70,255 kapag may home card ka. Yan. And let's check for the other items. Ito. Tayo, meron tayong Caitlin Entertainment Unit. It's 5,100. 4,080 pesos kapag may home card ka. Ayan, same lang siya sa taas. This is George, 120 naman. Parang ito yung kanina rin. Pixon. Ayan. Ito yung T16 TAD TV rack, 120. 4,600, tas 3,680 na lang siya. Kapag may card, this one is cute. This is the Harold 150 centimeters TV rack Gallet walnut. It's 12,775 for the regular price and it's 10,837.50 kapag may home card ka. Same lang siya nasa baba. This one is bigger wall. I think ano na siya per parang per set yata to. So itong pahaba na to, it's 5,600 pesos. Pag may card ka, ayan, ito yung presyo, 4,480. Ito namang sa baba, it's 6,500. Pag meron kang card, 5,200. This one, yung bookcase naman ng Harley, it's 8,400 pesos. 6,720 pag meron kang home card. Now, let's move to this one. Hudson TV stand oak. It's 11,000 pesos but it's already 8,800 pesos na lang. Ngayon, yan. Harley tall bookcase na ash na white. It's 7,400 pesos. 5,920 na lang kapag meron kang home card. This one is good. This one's beautiful. Brody TV rack Sonoma oak. it's 6,800 pesos, tapos 4,780 pag may card ka. Georgine, I think ito yung kanina. This one is also good. This is the Ray TV rack. It's 6,900 pesos. 5,520 pesos kapag may card ka. This is the Dia TV rack Ray old, 4,480, pero 30% out item siya. So, 3,136 na lang. Ito rin, nasa taas. I think it's same with the other one. This one is the Habib TV rack. It's 5,550, 4,717.50 kapag may home card ka. Ito, yan yung mga kanina rin. This one is beautiful, same as the other one. So, yan. So, we also have consoles here, or yung mga patungan. Snow console table is in a black marble. This one is 3,045 kasi itong promo item siya. I'm not sure about this one. This one is 5,500 pesos. Meron siya mga home card offers. So, ito na lang harapan natin. Yan. Ito, 7,700 for the regular price. This one is good. 6,900 pesos. This one is 3,600 pesos. Meron pa siya pa-drawer, which is nice. This one, Veron, 8,400. Ganda na siya. Pero wala siya yatang lalagyan. Yeah. This one is the DAX console table, 6,900. Nord, 9,800. Tapos Nord console na white naman is 10,800 as well. Larson Bamboo console, 7,500. Check nyo na lang kasi meron pa siya talagang mga 15% off na pag meron kang home card. 7,050. 50 pala yun. Tapos 6,665. This is the Amani. This is one. Amani. I think it's light whitewash. The Teak. Whitewash again. 6,600. Brody console table. So naman oak white, which is good. Beautiful. It has drawers. And it's 7,450. Tapos 6,332 kapag may card ka. Ayan, same lang sila. This one is the Aisha console table. Chrome plus glass. Ayan siya. 10,800. Tapos 9,180 kapag meron kang card. So, yan. So, meron din tayo mga coffee tables dito. 3,100. Ito, 1,045. 435 na lang kasi naka-sale. Ito mga 3,700. 1,035. 1,350. 4,250, 4,300, and 4,250, 4,300, 5,225, 4,000 pesos, 4,000 pesos nito. Tapos meron tayo sa taas na 7,200. Walang price. Tapos 6,900 pesos. Yan. So meron din dun sa kabilang side. Itong Kepner side table. These are the side tables naman. This is 5,000 pesos. Itong Hector side table na tobacco, ito is 6,200. Hourglass is 5,000 pesos. Tapos itong Eco side table na walnut, 6,400 pesos. This one is 4,000 pesos. The north side tables. Yan. Ito, 1,800 siya. This one is nice as side table. Then, yan. 2,240. 1,350. This one is cute. 2,040 lang pag may home card ka. Yan. Ito yung mga ito. 5,700. Tapos ito naman, 4,750. Ito is 5,000 pesos. 1,800, 5,000 again. This one, roller coaster, 3,700, 3,145 kapag meron kang card. So, ito naman is 2,300. And row 1, side table with wheels, 2,600 pesos. Yan. Ito naman yung mga coffee tables, 3,000 pesos. 4,850, 7,500, 6,750, 7,300, 8,300, 8,300 din, 3,100, 6,750. Same as this one. This one is the lighter color, 7,500, tapos 7,500 din. Yeah, ito yung mga other side tables. 6,300, 8,700, 2,300, 5,700. Ito, 4,750, 4,150 per 2,295, 2,905 na lang siya kasi naka 30% off siya. Ito, 5,300. Ito, may storage ka pa, table na, tsaka storage pa. It's 4,250. This one is 3,100. Pero naka-sale siya, so it's, ano na lang, 2,170. So, ito naman, it's 4,300, 3,100, 1,995. Ito, it's 1,500. Color pink din siya. Tapos, yan. Ito, metal is 1,950. 1,365 kapag may card ka. Or hindi, naka-promo yata siya. Yan. 2,300, 2,400, 3,000. Yan. 1,700, 1,700. 2,750, 4,700, 4,800, 3,000 pesos. Tapos ito is 7,950, 3,000 pesos to 100, tapos 7,500 stock clearance is to 3,000. Yeah, 4,500. This one is 7,090, 7,950. Yan. Ito pa tayo. Coffee table ulit. 5,400. 5,400. 4,500. 8,300. This one used to be my favorite back then. 4,500. And I don't know the price though. 4,500. And this one is beautiful. 5,000 pesos. This one is 6,500. 6,100. 4,500. Nakasale siya, 3,150 na lang. Ito naman 3,045 din. Nakasale din siya. White na marble design. Tapos glass talaga siya. Then, this one is 3,000 pesos. 3,000 pesos. That's all for the side tables, coffee tables. Yan. May mga other furnitures din si Mandaue Foam. Meron sila na may mga table lamps or yung mga floor lamps. These are actually aesthetic floor lamps. Here, Mandaue Foam yan. And, yeah. This one, this floor lamp, it prices around 3,640 tas 3,196 siya pag meron kang card. This one, tumataas naman na black. It's 3,970, 3,448 na lang siya kapag may card. Ito, 3,710 pesos. Na nasa taas, it's 2,700. Pero naka home card, pag may home card ka is 2,304. This one, I can't see the price. This one is 735. Tapos ito, 1,390. May mga, ano pa siya, membership. Or yung home card member. Na percentage na off. This one is 1,390. 1,605. Yan, tapos sa kabila rin, meron din sila. Kahit nga may mga chandeliers din sila dito, mga pin lights. Yeah. This one, I want this one. Yung mga malalaki. This one is 5,880 plus 5,025 pesos. 5,025 cents kapag may home card ka. This one naman, ito medyo mga malalaki. Naka-standy. It's, I don't know how much is the price. It's 3,140. 2,699. Kapag, may card ka. Ito siya. Ito yung isa. Medyo mas maliit lang na version. Ito mas malaki. Yan. And also, we do have those floor sa taas. Yung mga lampshades or table lamps natin. Ito is 810 pesos. This one is 1,480. Take note na meron talagang 15% off or 20%, 30% off na home card member. At pag meron kang home card member dito sa Mandaue. This one is my favorite. Gusto ko na siya mabili someday. Ladies table lamp, which is 2,330. Tapos 1,980 pesos na lang siya kapag may membership ka na card. This one is 1,530. And that one, that big one, it's I think 2,000 pesos. That's 1,700 pag may membership card ka. So, yan. Like I mentioned before, they have chandeliers also here. This one is a big one. I don't want to make bungo that one because it's pricey, I think. This is it's beautiful, and it's just 21,600 pesos, 18,360 pesos kapag may card ka, pag may home card ka. This one is the smaller version of this one earlier, or 13,455. That's 11,460. 37 na lang siya. 14,200. Same lang. So yan, ganun lang din kanina. Same lang with the different designs. I mean, colors. This one is 4,100. Yung mukha siyang vase, pero nice siya. Ito yung ibang mga gusto ng aesthetic. 4,590 pesos. Tapos ito, 2,710. May mga discount pa yan. 810 pesos. Ito, 660. Uy, nice. Ito, ang ganda. This is 1,390 pesos. 975 na lang kapag may card ka. Home card, 735. Tapos ito, 1,065 pesos. They do also have those stand-up lights or floor LED lamp. This one is 3,170 pesos. Pero 2,200 na lang, 220 kapag may card ka. Wait, nice. Barato. Parang nasa study table ka. 1,600 siya. 1,600. 1,121 na lang siya kapag may card ka. Tapos may white version pa. Team puti. 1,600. Tapos 1,120 lang siya. Ooh. Ito, swing arm. 3,470, tas 2,498 na lang siya kapag may home card ka. And this one is yung mga pang TikTokers or vlog. 1,680 pesos, tapos 1,178 pesos kapag meron kang card. No, actually 1,176 pesos na siya. Kasi naka-promo pala siya. So, yan. Kaya yan. Same lang siya as kanina. Ito, 1,500. 2,890. Kit na mga lamps, 380 pesos. Small lang siya. Tapos, 190 lang kapag meron maliit. Ayun, no, cute. 390. Cute. Tingnan natin itong presyo. Yan, 420. 294 kapag 294 kapag may card ka. Cute lang na mga version ng lamps. Colored lamps pa. Ayan. 850 naman to kasi feeling ko. Touch. Ayan nga. May pinipindot. 810. Yan. Ito. Si Pixar. Pixar! Si Pixar is 1,630. Pero naka-promo item na siya. So, 1,141 na lang siya. Tapos ito, 1,385. 1,083 na lang kapag may card ka. Home card. Ito naman yung mga malalaking floor lamps. Ito mga malalaking floor lamps is 1,550, 1,102 pesos na lang kapag may home card ka. Then, meron tayo mga table lamps dito, desk lamp. Actually, lalaro sila ng 900 pesos, less than 1,000 pesos. 985, tapos 690 kapag kapag meron kang home card. Yan. Same lang din. Yan. Almost 800 na lang siya kapag kapag may home card ka. Ito, less than 700. Ito din. Ito, less than 700 din to. Si Pixar moment. Yeah. 500, ito, 532. Ito, 665 pesos naman siya. Ito naman, 288. Yung mga kit lang. 474 pesos. 1,111. 1,011 pala. 396 pesos. 598. 507. 760 pesos. Yan. Marami silang mga paganyang lights. Ayan. Tutungo na tayo sa malapit sa favorite ko. Ayan, nakita natin to kanina. This one is really good. Sobrang gusto ko rin to. Meron to sila Slater Young. Nakita ko to sa pag nagbo-vlog sila. So, 1,530 pesos lang siya before dati. Ngayon 765 na lang siya. So, ganda nito. Aesthetic niya tignan. Ayan. Ito din kanina. Ito sa TikTokers. Tapos ito, this one, gold yung niya, gold brass. It's 3,220, tapos 2,882 na lang. 2,822? 22, yan. Kapag may membership. This is my favorite. Yeah. Ito. Yung bilog na yan. Pababa. Marble yung baba para mabigat siya. Tapos this one is 3,970 pesos. Tapos 3,374 kapag meron kang card. Yan. Maganda yan. So, yan lang.